by Lana Vawser Ministries. Recently, I heard the Lord say, I am bringing peace to the places where there has been no peace. As the Lord spoke these words, John 14:27 surrounded me loudly. Peace I leave with you, my peace I give to you. Not as the world gives do I give to you. Do not let your heart be troubled, nor let it be afraid. I leave the gift of peace with you, my peace. Not the kind of fragile peace given by the world, but my perfect peace. Don't yield to fear or be troubled in your hearts. Instead, be courageous. As I heard the words surrounding me, suddenly I could hear the sound of what sounded like waves crashing, and I leaned into the Lord's heart and I heard, the waves of my spirit are crashing over you, my people, and I am awakening you to my peace that is your inheritance in me. For I say unto you that I am bringing you into deeper understanding of what it means and looks like to walk in my perfect peace. For I say unto you that I have seen many hearts have been troubled and burdened. I say unto you, cast your cares upon me, for I care for you. I have seen many who have been troubled over worries and concerns that have weighed them down for so long, and I say unto you, do not worry about tomorrow, for tomorrow has enough worries of its own. Trust in me. I am bringing you deeper into the revelation of my goodness, my faithfulness, my protection, and my care for you. I say unto you that I am leading you into the paths of peace. My peace. I am leading you deeper into the peace that surpasses all understanding. I say unto you that as you seek me in this hour, I am releasing my divine wisdom, strategy, and leading into your hearts and lives to see you walk in the peace that is your inheritance in me. For I say unto you that I am shining my light upon your lives, upon your hearts, upon your minds, and upon the things that have been robbing your peace. I am shining my light upon the areas that have compromised peace. I am shining my light on areas that need to be realigned with my ways, my word, and my purpose for your lives. I am working deeply in this hour to uproot and expose these areas and bring you deeper into my peace. I say unto you, I am dealing with roots of anxiety and fear within many. I am dealing with areas of the heart where there has been deep anxiety that has stolen perfect peace, and I'm bringing you deeper into the revelation of my word and hearing my voice with greater clarity and insight that will bring you perfect peace. I say unto you that I am bringing you deeper into trust and dependence upon me, and truly you are coming into a time of the supernatural renewal of your mind in ways you have not known. I say unto you that I am bringing you deeper into the revelation and manifestation of my thoughts and the way I think. I am causing you to come up higher in your thinking and align yourselves with my word, walking by faith and not by sight in greater ways that is going to bring you deeper into the manifestation of my peace in and through your lives. I say unto you that I am increasing conviction upon what you think and what you meditate upon. For I am bringing conviction to what you are pondering, and I am delivering you from unholy thinking as you seek me. I am bringing you deeper into aligning with my word and my thoughts that is going to bring you deeper into the manifestation of my perfect peace. For I say unto you that I am bringing perfect peace into bodies in this hour. I say unto you that I am dealing with the spirit of trauma, and I am delivering many from the spirit of trauma that has been upon their bodies that has caused great ailments and suffering for many of my people. I say unto you that I am speaking peace to bodies in this hour. I am delivering many from the torment that they have faced within their physical bodies. I say unto you, come deeper into the revelation of Isaiah 53:5. By my stripes you were healed. I say unto you that I am bringing calm and perfect peace into anxious and tormented bodies in this hour. I say unto you, speak to your bodies. I say unto you, use your mouths to speak my word over your bodies. I say unto you that I am healing nervous systems. I am bringing a deep realignment to nervous systems. I say unto you that I am causing your bodies to remember no more the trauma that it endured. And I say unto you that greater is my word to break the chains of what has assailed you. I say unto you, make room for my peace to come and manifest within your bodies in this hour as you stand and speak to your bodies to come into alignment with my word. I say unto you, entertain not the thoughts, it will never change. It will always be as it has been. I say unto you, come up higher in your thinking and feast upon my word and my truth. I say unto you that I am breathing hope into your weary hearts, and by my spirit I am strengthening you in this hour. I say to those of you with tormented sleep, I say unto you that I am the God that gives my beloved sleep. I say unto you, watch in this hour as I bring peace to your night hours. Watch as I bring peace to the night hours and restore your sleep. I say unto you, where there has been a lack of peace in night hours, I say unto you, I am restoring peace in the night hours. There are many who have been lamenting over circumstances and the weight of circumstances and trials that they have been walking, and many have lost their peace. I say to those of you who have lost your peace, arise and look at me and my word, feast upon my promises and my nature. For I am not only will peace be restored as you look to me and meditate upon me and my word, I say unto you that I am going to calm the most troubled waters. I am going to calm the most violent of storms in your lives in this hour as you look to me. I say unto you that I am training you to rehearse my rhema and speak to the storms that surround you. Do not sit silent in the storms. Arise and speak, for I am bringing you into deeper places of peace even in the storms. As I am with you, I am teaching you what it looks like in greater ways to have peace in the most intense of storms and not be shaken. I am also teaching you to speak that which I am speaking and watch the storms be stilled. I say unto you that many have tolerated storms in their lives in this hour by remaining silent, and I say unto you, look into my eyes, keep your eyes on me in the storm, and be filled with peace and hope and strength, even as the wind ferociously blows. Watch how I will strengthen you in the place of peace. I will awaken you to greater revelation of your authority in me to speak to these storms and watch them be stilled. Many storms that many of you have been carrying on the inside are being stilled as you look to me in this hour, and you are arising as one walking in greater revelation of your authority in me to speak to the storms and watch them be stilled. By Lana Vawser Ministries.